Hi guys, Park Ranger Jack Simonar, Army Corps of Engineers, Carlyle Lake Project. Hey, if you've been to the lake recently, you've noticed these brown boxes that we've put up around the recreation areas. It's actually our new automated feed machines. Okay, today we're going to do a brief video on how to use these machines. First of all, it's only going to be used for people launching their boats or using the swimming area.
Upon arrival at one of these machines, you will see two options displayed on the screen. One is for a $5 day use fee receipt, and the second is for a $40 annual pass voucher. Select the option that applies to what you are wanting. At this time, the screen will prompt you to insert a credit or debit card. If you selected the $5 day use fee option, you will receive a paper receipt that is to be displayed face up on the dash of your vehicle. This receipt will expire at 11:59 p.m. on the day it was purchased. If you selected the $40 annual pass option, you will receive a temporary pass that you will need to take to the Carlyle Lake Project office or visitor center within 7 days in order to exchange it for the annual pass.
Alright guys, hey, after following these simple steps, you are now ready to recreate. And remember, these fees do not apply to anyone under the age of 16, America the Beautiful pass holders, and anyone camping with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Thanks, and have a good day.